Nature's got some real villain arcs, but these three, they're next level messed up. Number 1, the tongue-eating louse. Imagine losing your tongue and some parasite just crawls in and goes, "Don't worry, bro, I got this." Yeah, this crusty little freeloader severs a fish's tongue and literally becomes the new one. And it stays alive. That fish is eating with it, not around it. Number 2, the firehawk. Australia's firehawks? Yeah, they figured out fire. These birds pick up burning sticks from wildfires and literally drop them in dry grass to hunt. That's not a myth, that's arson with wings.